I used to think I was always the mature one. Whenever we argued, I had a list ready. What they did, what they said, how they reacted. But one day in the middle of another disagreement, they asked me a simple question. What did you do? And I didn't have an answer. That moment forced me to look inward. It's easy to point fingers. It's harder to look in the mirror. The day I started saying, I shouldn't have said that, or I reacted out of insecurity, our relationship began to transform. Ownership is powerful. It disarms defensiveness. It creates safety. It invites growth. When you own your part, you take back control. You can't change your partner, but you can change how you show up. And sometimes that shift changes everything. Click subscribe and join the family.